Spain, the land of chorizo and jamon. Everyone that comes to Spain want to have a little bit of ham. Maybe a ham of its own, or a ham in a little sandwich, or with eggs. Everybody's obsessed with ham. Although ham is delicious, there are plenty of other cold cuts, other charcuterie items that are underrated, but are outstanding, are marvelous. So this video is all about it. Let's try the jamon's ugly cousins. So let's start with one of my favorites. This is Chicharron de Cadiz. That comes, as the name says, from Cadiz, southern Spain. And well, this looks a lot like a turkey breast, but it's actually pork belly. So to do this pork belly here, first we rub it with garlic, herbs, such as paprika, and then they deep fry it in lard. Yes, they fry it in animal fat. And once the frying part is done, they let it cure for about 15 days, and then they vacuum seal it, and then it's good to go. It's light, it's delicious. Since, well, Cadiz is a very hot city and has a sort of more very Mediterranean lifestyle, they eat this with lime and sea salt, and it's, well, it's a hidden treasure. It's a beauty. Here we have two excellent cold cuts that they have here, a part of the chicharron. Here we have a beautiful morcilla de hígado. That's a black Budgie made out of liver. It's strong, has a little bit of a cumin taste, comes from southern Spain as well, and it's one of my favorites. Of course, it's been boiled before, so you just cut it and serve. And also morcón. Morcón, it's a very close cousin from the chorizo, but the difference here, it has more meat from the pork shoulder and from the intestine. So it's a little bit stronger in terms of taste and has more paprika in the mix. Outstanding, very delicious. One thing that I love about Bodega Caro is that they really pay an homage to the old school bodegas. You know when you're in old school bodega, when you have the barrels, when the lighting is not that good, you know, when the walls are not very well painted, and here they pay really an homage to these underrated cold cuts. So you won't find jamon, you won't find chorizo, but you find a lot of great things. So that's it, guys. Hope you like it. Hope you come here one day to Barcelona and try by yourselves all these great cold cuts we have here. And well, please subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.